for giving me the opportunity to talk on stopping these coke factories in our area. I, as a child who's against these coke factories, because we all know how bad it can affect our health. We see our health and hygiene are caused due to these coke factories, such as cancer in the lungs, trachea, bronchus, kidney, and so many other sites. I request the government to close these coke factories inside our areas, and at the same time, I request the owner of the coke factories to think about the future of your child. I mean, what's the point of you giving your child the riches and wealth, meanwhile they do not have the wealth they deserve for? I also thank the EPC committee for leading us the way until now, and may God lead them the way to move forward. Long live! Thank you.
Jangka ilka barok kaway. Namaru akwa benkeren ya gani kan message sa Honorable Chief Minister Sri Conrad Sangma bersyaka sarkar hi barok kaway na katakada ngan keren Khliehriat na timparan. There are millions of children dying in the world because of pollution. In the recent statistics published by UNICEF, that India is becoming the 26th rank, that children are extremely exposed at high risk of air pollution. The government giving permission to establish coke plants in the Elaka is highly condemnable. We the children, we have a right to breathe fresh and clean air. We the children, we have a right to live in the healthy environment, which is also a fundamental right of every child, that no one can take this right from us.
Yes.
We want to live and grow old like all of you. But if coke plants are allowed to be established in and near human habitation area, it's no less than you killing us, and you want to take away our future. We the children, we don't deserve to live our life in an unhealthy environment, as we did not do anything. Father, uncle, brother, and all the gentlemen, I say this to you, to give us the tomorrow to live our dreams. The Chief Minister, the responsible people, we look up to you to show us a better example. And I say it, if this is the example that you put us in such a dangerous environment, your children, one day, they will come and spit on your grave.